Hey guys, my name is Bitget Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today I want to talk about my favorite crypto exchange called Bitget. In today's video I'm going to show you some of the bullish updates, and also going to explain you why I think Bitget could be perfect exchange if you're new to crypto, but also if you're experienced to crypto, because they have so many different features that can actually benefit you and also make you passive income and different rewards. But before that, I want to remind you I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
As I mentioned, today we are talking about Bitget centralized exchange. In the past, I did a few videos about Bitget because I'm personally using it, and I think they have really great features. They have really great token listings, great partnerships, and really great ways to can actually earn rewards and passive income. That's why in today's video I'm going to show you all these features. Also, I'm going to show you all the bullish news they have, like collaborations. So let's jump into their main page. And you can see they have Lionel Messi, one of the greatest soccer players of all time, on their homepage. And they just announced really bullish news that they released new Bitget featuring Messi film. And you can actually check out on YouTube. I'll also link it in the description. And this is a really big partnership because I think this makes Bitget one of the biggest players right now, because they have lots of users, lots of volume. We're going to be actually talking about the numbers a bit later. But I think this collaboration is really huge for Bitget, but also for overall crypto space, and makes Bitget one of the leaders in the space at the moment. So today I'm going to talk about all the different features. So first of all, I did a video, I think a month ago, where I talked about different ways you can actually earn money with Bitget. If you go like here to earn, you can see how many different options they have. And actually, again, I'm going to link my video in the description. You can find different ways how can you actually earn money. And you can see they have savings, they have staking, they have smart trend, they have launch pool, launch pad. So they actually have lots of different features that other exchanges cannot offer. Next thing, why I like Bitget. So for example, before Bitget, I used Binance. But I basically used Binance because they had a really cool Visa debit card. And once they canceled the card, I just moved straight to Bitget because Bitget is offering way better features. So first of all, they're listing way more tokens. So on this channel, on the Bitget Crypto channel, we talk about lots of these projects that are launching, brand new projects, pre-sales. I even talked about DeFi project, D.Fi. And these projects are actually listing on Bitget. So if you watch my videos, you can actually buy tokens I'm talking about on Bitget, and you cannot buy these tokens on Binance. That's why I think Bitget is a really good option, because they're listing these early projects really early, and everyone who's on the platform can actually buy these tokens early for the cheapest price before they get listed on other exchanges. And of course, this way again make returns. Next up, they have the copy trading, and actually I think Bitget is the biggest copy trading platform in the world. Next up, actually, they have really big rewards. You can see right now, sign up now, claim welcome pack of 1000 USDT. And of course, I will have all the links in the description. So after watching my video, you can find all the links, sign up, get your reward, get your bonus, and of course, start earning. So let's scroll down to see all the different stuff they offer. Again, they offer so many different tokens. Right here, you can see they offer all the small tokens, big tokens. So it's really useful for people who are into crypto, because you can find all these tokens. And for example, on Binance, on other exchanges, you cannot find these tokens. And once they get listed, of course, the price maybe goes even higher. But on Bitget, you can actually buy these tokens at the cheapest prices. Next up, the copy trading. So I talked about it a lot. I think this is a really great tool for the beginners, because beginners can actually see how the pros trade and earn passive income. So Bitget is the world's largest crypto copy trading platform, which is super impressive. And you can see the numbers. They have 410,000 followers, PNL. They have 130,000 elite traders. And also, copy trading is really beneficial if you are a good trader, because you can actually earn money on your knowledge. Next up, you can see some of the results. Also, you can see some of the information and why it's so secure, because this is really important. You use centralized exchanges for safety, because yeah, it's like a bank. And they have all the safety information, which is really, really important. So the first thing, which is, I would say, really important, the main thing, proof of reserves. So we guarantee at least 1-to-1 reserve ratio of our customer funds. This is really, really important, because I think some of the smaller exchanges cannot guarantee, or they're lying. That's why it's really important. Next up, cold storage. So they store most of the digital assets offline using multi-signature wallets. And the last one is protection fund. So actually they have $300 million fund for protection if something happens, which is a pretty big fund. So in my opinion, these are really great security features, and this is one of the reasons why I use Bitget, because after FTX, after like even some other exchanges failing, I think you need to pick only the secure and safe exchanges like Bitget. After that, again, Lionel Messi, we're gonna talk about him a bit later, and app. They actually have a really amazing app. As I mentioned, I personally do use Bitget myself. That's why I'm talking. So they have super clean, super easy to use app. As I mentioned, they have tokens. It's the app on Android, also on Apple, which makes it a really good exchange on the go or at home or for new users, because the UI is super clean and it's really easy to find all the features. And they have more information about the statistics, which is super, super impressive. So $10 billion 24-hour trading volume. Insane. After that, 550 cryptocurrencies listed. And this is, in my opinion, one of the biggest pros for me, because you can actually buy, trade tokens which are not listed on other exchanges, which I really like, because, for example, if you find some Ethereum token and you can find it right here on the Bitget, you can actually trade without the high Ethereum fees. And you can actually see they have lowest transaction fees, which is lower than 0.10%. Again, amazing. They have 20 million users, again, huge number. So in my opinion, the numbers look really, really impressive. And that's why I'm talking about this project. And now let's talk more about Messi. Messi and Bitget just released Make It Count promotional film, which is a really cool film. Again, I will link in the description. I really recommend you to watch it after watching my video. And also they have different contests. So like Messi, hashtag make it count in 2024, win a ticket to Inter Miami matches. You can see, you can register, do different tasks. You can see 10,000 people participating. You can see different tasks you can do to get points, and you can actually win tickets. So Bitget is always doing different contests. You can actually win different prizes. Even if you go to the main page, you can see they have different rewards all the time, VIPs, bonuses. So they have something going all the time, which is of course good if you're into crypto, because they have different ways you can win tokens, win money, win tickets, and like different stuff. After that, you can see even more information about their this mission, about the idea behind this collaboration. And in my opinion, again, I think this is a really bullish collaboration because it brings way more eyes on this exchange. And lastly, I want to talk about Twitter and the community. So they have 1.2 million followers, crazy numbers. And I recommend you to actually follow their Twitter. Again, the link in the description, because they're posting all the time. They're posting different promotion, rewards, tokens, listings. And it's really important to actually follow, because you can find some really early gems, buy these tokens early, and of course, make big returns. So in my opinion, as I mentioned, Bitget is one of the best, if not the best exchanges right now. They're offering huge bonuses. They have Lionel Messi, if you like soccer. They have really big rewards. They have big bonuses. If you want to promote their platform, they have really good affiliate bonuses. Next up, they have copy trading. They're one of the biggest copy trading platforms. They have 130,000 traders you can copy. After that, they have bots, and they have lots of different products that will help you earn passive income. So in my opinion, this is a winner platform. As usual, all the links in the description. If you have any questions to me, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram group. It's gonna be in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.
Get money.